of all, we'd like to thank Baby Zion's fans. Thank you guys for voting. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you guys.
Yeah, Zion couldn't make it. It's past his bedtime. So, accepting his award. Vice, congratulations. And just to let everybody know, Vice just sent Zion the most awesome stroller yesterday. So thanks, Vice.
Thank you so much to Philippine Star for the Supreme Trendsetter Award. And congratulations sa inaanak kong si Zion at sa kanyang mga awesome parents. And we also would like to share this award to all the other nominees, especially sa kumari kong si Miriam Defensor Santiago. Thank you so much.
Alright, there you have it. Congratulations to Baby Zion.